The most dangerous food for your body is not sugar, it's not fried chicken, it's not even soda. This food is hiding in almost everything you eat. This food causes something called oxidative stress. That's when your cells are attacked by unstable molecules called free radicals. It's like your organs are slowly rusting from the inside. Your liver, your brain, your heart, all under silent attack every single day. It promotes chronic inflammation, which leads to hormone imbalance, heart disease, and even cancer. And the scariest part? Most people eat this food every single day without knowing. This food is vegetable seed oils, like sunflower oil, canola oil, corn oil, soybean oil. They're cheap, processed and loaded with unstable omega-6 fats. These oils were never meant for human consumption. They were industrial lubricants. Check your labels. Cut them out of your life. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Thanks for watching.